after I finish this one. This is what I'll read. This is what I want to read. Scope of the executive order. Here are some of Tencent's biggest investments. It's still unknown how far President Trump's executive action against WeChat owner Tencent will go, but U.S. Commerce Secretary is set to identify transactions covered by the order, which starts in 45 days. Here is a list of Tencent's largest U.S. and international investments. One is Tesla. Tencent bought 5% of the EV maker for $1.78 billion in 2017. CEO Elon Musk has called the company an investor and an advisor to Tesla. Snapchat, Tencent bought 12% of the messaging app operator in 2017. Activision Blizzard, Tencent has a minority stake in the owner of the Call of Duty franchise. Tencent also launched Call of Duty Mobile in 2019, which has seen 45 million US downloads. Riot Games and Epic Games, Tencent fully purchased the former in 2015 and took a minority stake in the latter in 2012. Reddit, a funding round led by Tencent in 2019 resulted in a market valuation of $3 billion. Spotify, the music streamer, and Tencent Music Entertainment bought minority stakes in each other ahead of the former's 2018 stock market listing in New York. Universal Music media conglomerate Vivendi in 2019 said it had finalized sale of 10% of the world's largest music label to Tencent-led consortium. Tencent also owns stakes in the U.S.-listed firms like Bilibili, Sogo, Huya, Duju, JD.com, Pinduoduo, VipShop, NIO, and Futu Holdings. In pre-market trade, Tencent ADRs are unchanged. And guys, this is freaking interesting. And I do want to take a look at all of these ones, but oh my goodness, there's another article here. This is the same one. Okay, cool. So because, why am I being confused, guys? Because Trump has done two things, and the first one is related to technology, and the other one is more related to the biosector, guys. So we're going to do this right now. We're going to go ahead and take a look. First of all, ByteDance, as you already know, is not public. Tencent Holdings actually is public. So let's go ahead and take a look at Tencent. And it's not valued 10 cents, Chewy. Don't be looking at me like that, Chewy. Come on. So Tencent Holdings, let's look over here at the weekly. Wow. And Tencent Holdings actually was looking very good, guys. Look, we had a lot of, it's been quite a while since I looked at it, but you can see that this trend line got broken, but here it got retested, which basically rejected in the support, and Tencent say, see you later, froze. I'm gonna go ahead and take a lift off 29% to 72. I think this is Canadian, so $72 Canadian. And what this can actually do is go back down to 61. Maybe it's just that it needs it, you know. But that's what I look at Tencent Holdings. And if he wants to continue, which could be very, very strange, and something that we may want to keep an eye on today, I want to see how it will close Tencent this week, man, because this is an interesting moment for it. And let's see what the repercussion of Trump signing all of this actually is in the market, guys. So great perspective to have, you know. And the NFP obviously is going to make some move as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at Microsoft, since it's mentioned over here. MSFT. And here we go, guys. So Microsoft on the weekly is bullish. Here's a big gap that Microsoft left behind. I think those kind of gaps need to be closed. Will it be done by today? I don't know. Maybe not. And there's still the trend line there. That is a very likely scenario. But for me, Microsoft long term, as you already know, my friends, is bullish. I just think that Microsoft has a great potential for infrastructure, technology. And look, 215.30 is all good. The weekly is going to end, man. And you know what I'm thinking? That the weekly may close maybe a little bit bullish and leave a wick. We'll see. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Do you think Microsoft will continue doing the... or will it go down a little bit? Who knows? Let me know in the chat room, my friends. Good morning, Garrett Butler. Rise and shine.
Boom shakalaka.
Love the dedication. Victor Gordon. Welcome to the
Boom
channel, my friend.
shakalaka.
And what about Gennaro Di Carlo? Gennaro.
Boom shakalaka.
Buongiorno, buongiorno. Buenos días a todo el mundo. Gusto en verlo. Good to see you all. And guys, let's continue with the news. We got a lot of things that we got to cover. That article gave us a lot of things to review. So, from Microsoft, now we got to take a quick look at Activision Blizzard. Let's see how it has reacted with all of this news, my friend. Donald Trump shaking the freaking can, making some noise. Let's see. So the weekly for Activision Blizzard, 86.84. And I'm gonna give you my perspective in a little bit, my friend, because there's a lot of things that it is important to keep in mind. Activision went down 1.3% to 85.70. It's all good because Activision Blizzard has been performing very, very well. And if it does go lower, that's better for us, guys, because we're gonna have an opportunity, you know? Like, we already had an opportunity. I'm just waiting for the next one, especially with Activision Blizzard and record-breaking numbers with the number of users playing Call of Duty, and the new season is out.
Bruh.
If you want to play Best Bubblegum, maybe this weekend I'll kick some booty, Chewy. Oh, come on, dude. Let's go ahead and continue over here with this article. Snapchat is the next one, SNAP. And we'll definitely review the weekly candle and see how it impacted in the whole by the end of the week. And Snapchat, as we can see, is still going down. I think Snapchat does have an opportunity for a little bit of more downside, my friend. You know, that's something that I want to keep an eye on. And Snapchat 21.28, so it's a little bit lower. Definitely something that I want to keep my eye on, because whatever happens with all of this thing, if it takes it lower, we're going to capitalize on it. I mean, there's no way that we will miss this, you know? Okay, and then continuing from Snapchat, we're going to head back to this other article and review most of this, which we review Snapchat, Activision. As you know, Riot Games is Epic Games, so I don't think that we can trade that. Spotify, TME, and, well, actually just Spotify, Tesla. So let's do Spotify's first. Spotify, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! And yesterday started to break a trend line. Oh my goodness. But you know what? It makes sense that if it's gonna pull down with this news, you know, broke the trend line, we need to get that last kiss, or at least break over resistance, you know. That's my plan. That's all I'm waiting for right now. That's one of my trades that I think it can happen. We'll see, my friends. And Spotify, if Spotify goes lower, that will be a blessing as well. And Spotify 254, there you go, going down a little bit, getting that retracement, my friends. See? And let's see what it will do by the end of the week, because the weekly candle is showing us good rejection. Okay, the rejection is on the bottom of the body. Okay, and that's something that we want to keep an eye on. Okay, very, very good. And what a ride from Spotify. I know, my friends. I think, and man, I don't know if you guys watch the Try Guys or listen to their tripod. It's pretty cool. Check them out. Let them know that Chewy was here, and follow David to follow investments or follow the news of investments. But the thing is, guys, that they mentioned that the music industry has become kind of like the same industry as YouTube videos. Gotta constantly upload. And now I'm thinking, like, over here with my music, I'm like, dang it. And I'm taking so much time doing my songs. And there's people like coming out with different things. Well, obviously, different equipment, different styles of music. I don't know, my friends. And hopefully, you will be able to enjoy bubblegum pretty soon. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. And continuing over here, my friends, Tesla, right? So let's look at Tesla. Tesla, ladies and gentlemen, 1489.58. The weekly is showing us a bullish candle, which is starting to look interesting. But let's see what Tesla is up to this morning. 1488. A little bit of retracement after hours, 0.08. It's all good. I think that we will definitely keep an eye on this one as well. Because Tesla, for me, if it goes lower, that is an opportunity. I've said many times here that if we go to 1250 or 1420s, we can actually take advantage of the opportunity.
Bruh.
Yeah, because Tesla, for me, my friend, has been riding very, very nicely. So anything that goes down is an opportunity for me. Oh. And he mentions over here NIO. Okay. NIO, ladies and gentlemen. NIO, which was performing very nicely during the week with a bullish candle. Look at that. Look at that. NIO creating a bullish candle after the trend line break. See, guys, we were waiting for the opportunity, and boom, there goes the opportunity. 1351 is the downside for NIO. I don't know. Maybe there's going to be some damage, but not a lot, guys, because there has to be a happy medium. There has to be a middle ground. Like, China must be able to participate in the global economy. Come on. The only concern is that there is no digital privacy practices. Yes, that's why Andrew Yang said it right, my friend, you know?
Hey, what happened?
So here's the thing. The situation that we're living right now, and I think the tripod mentioned it as well, is the digital privacy, your information. Where is it going? Who has it? Who the heck knows? There's been many companies out there, like, what was the documentary of Hack on Netflix? I forgot the name, that Cambridge Analytica. They were acquiring information from Facebook, storing it, so they had numbers and data to create some digital campaigns, which in practice is not bad, but politically can be wrong, because we want not to be influenced by propaganda. We want to be influenced by our way of thinking. That's the beautiful thing about America, right? It is that you have the liberty to think what the heck you want, not somebody understanding and knowing what the heck you're doing. And since the privacy policies are so important, and we don't even have people that understand that in the government, which is insane. It is like mind-blowing, dude. It's like, how the heck companies got ahead of the government? The government needs to start evolving, which is good. That's why our generation is here, and we're going to keep moving forward to the best pattern ever for our lifestyles and everybody's lifestyle. We aren't stuck in this globe, in this little dot in the universe, which,
Boom shakalaka!
you know, Shui has come from. I know, Shui. I know. Well, anyways, guys, NIO 1384. Hopefully you have been kicking booty, and not bad. Let's see how that weekly candle will end. And moving forward, okay, ladies and gentlemen,